Hi, we at Vikram Tutors have made an attempt to incorporate AI in our coaching techniques. We're trying to convert text into pictorial depictions for our champion students.
Causes of unemployment. Unemployment occurs when people who are willing and able to work cannot find suitable jobs. The causes of unemployment refer to the various economic, social, technological, and structural factors that reduce job opportunities or prevent the labor force from being fully absorbed into productive activities. These causes can arise from slow economic development, problems in agriculture and industry, rapid population growth, technological changes, or mismatches between education and job requirements. Understanding these causes helps in designing policies that generate employment and improve economic welfare.
1. Low rate of economic growth. A low rate of economic growth means that the country's production and income levels are not increasing fast enough. When national output grows slowly, fewer industries expand, fewer new businesses are established, and therefore fewer jobs are created. In some countries, even when growth occurs, it is often jobless growth, meaning growth happens through capital-intensive industries, which use more machines and fewer workers. As a result, employment generation remains stagnant. Example: if a country focuses on high-tech automated factories that increase production using machines, the growth rate may look high, but new employment opportunities for workers may not rise. India in the early 2000s experienced growth led by the service and capital-intensive sectors, while manufacturing jobs remained stagnant. 2. Low growth rate of agriculture. Agriculture in many developing countries grows slowly due to fragmented land holdings, lack of capital, poor irrigation, outdated tools, and dependence on monsoon. These limitations reduce productivity and limit employment opportunities. Because agriculture does not expand fast enough, seasonal unemployment occurs, jobs only during sowing and harvesting. Disguised unemployment arises, more people working on a plot of land than needed. Example: a small farmer using traditional plows instead of modern machinery may have 6 family members working on a farm that really requires only 3 workers. The extra 3 are disguisedly unemployed. Lack of irrigation may prevent farmers from practicing multiple cropping, leading to seasonal unemployment for months. 3. Hampered growth of agriculture and industry due to lack of machinery, transport, and raw materials. When industries and agriculture do not have adequate machinery, good transportation facilities, or essential raw materials, their growth slows down. Without growth, they cannot hire more workers. Poor infrastructure increases production costs and reduces competitiveness, preventing expansion and job creation. Example: a textile factory may not be able to operate at full capacity because of shortages of cotton or unreliable electricity. This reduces output and prevents the factory from hiring additional workers. In rural areas, farmers may not have tractors or threshers due to high costs, limiting cultivation and employment. 4. Rapid population growth. When population increases rapidly, the number of people seeking jobs rises sharply. If the economy does not create enough jobs to match the increasing workforce, unemployment results. More population also means limited resources per person, lower capital formation because resources get divided, higher government expenditure on water supply, electricity, hospitals, and education, reducing funds for job-creating investments. Example: every year, millions of young people enter India's labour market, but the number of new jobs is much lower. This creates widespread youth unemployment. A village with limited land cannot provide enough agricultural employment for a rapidly increasing population. 5. Use of capital-intensive technology. Capital-intensive technology uses more machinery and advanced equipment instead of human labour. Many firms prefer such technology due to ease of operations, higher efficiency, favourable economic policies, and cheaper imported machinery. As firms adopt machines over people, the demand for labour decreases, leading to unemployment. Example: in car manufacturing, robots are increasingly used for assembling parts. This reduces the number of workers required in factories. A rice mill using an automatic processing machine will need far fewer workers compared to a manual processing setup. 6. Defective education system. India's education system is often criticised for being theoretical and general, not skill-based. It does not prepare students for the needs of modern industries and services. As a result, students graduate with degrees but lack employable skills, causing educated unemployment. The gap between what is taught and what industries require creates a mismatch in the labour market. Example: a graduate with a BA or BCom degree may not have skills in computers, communication, or technical fields that employers require. Many engineering graduates in India remain unemployed due to lack of practical training, internships, and industry exposure.